All right, so here we are in yet another space utilizing the X30, and it's set up as a Zoom room, but just another example of a meeting space, and Erica's gonna walk us through it.
This is again another meeting space we have here. It's again an example of how you can outfit your space, whether it be with a conference room table or what we have here is more of a lounge setting. But again, we have the X30 mounted below the screen, again, different mounting capabilities. And I do want to showcase, even though we can use these rooms with our touch controls, you also can use them with touch displays. So again, as you see here, I went ahead and joined my meeting. You can utilize the full touch display here, and you have all your meeting controls as well. Maybe I want to bring up a whiteboard in the call. I can actually bring up Zoom's whiteboarding feature and annotate while we're here.
Nice.